Hey guys, we're actually going to put this on the Japan channel at first because this guy's $3,000. So we thought, Japanese pet shop, $3,000 parrot, that might be worth going on the Japan channel. But this guy's got a real personality and he deserved more time than we could give him on the Japan channel. Every time we started to walk away from him, he'd squawk and say something. He'd yell something at us and we'd come back again and then he'd carry on like this and sort of heaps of personality from him. And then we'd talk to him for a while, and then we'd walk away. And as soon as we started to get away from him again, he'd squawk again and yell something at us to make us come back again. Super personality. If he was only a couple of $100, we would have taken him home. He was just a classic. Mr. Personality he was, but unfortunately he's a bit out of our price range. So anyway, sit back and enjoy this guy for a while.
Just like one nail drives out another, only one ever wins a race. It's a wild night in a wild life. The wind is freezing and it cuts through me like a knife. It's a wild night in a wild life. The wind is freezing and it cuts through me like a knife.
Isn't he a classic? If we could afford him, he'd be at our house right now. More videos coming soon.